Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Scarpa Gecko walking shoe. So let's go straight into the key features. So it has two cool key features. First off, it is water resistant. It's not waterproof, so there's no membrane in there, but that does mean this trainer is nice and breathable. It also, because of that water resistancy, it does repel water like showers or anything like that. But as long as you top that up with some breathe-proof, and now and again, you'll be absolutely fine. So take care of that water resistancy and your feet will stay nice and dry. Also as well, I'd like to note it has a low lace system as well, which basically means you have amazing adjustment when it comes to this shoe. Because it goes down so low, you can loosen it off at the bottom, have it tight in the top, or vice versa, or you can customize the overall feel and the overall tightness and structure of the front part of the shoe, to be fair, pretty much across the entire base of your shoe, or the entire front of your shoe, should I say. Kind of lost my words there, but yeah, it just means you have amazing adjustments. So let's take a closer look at the shoe. So first off, you'll notice it does have round laces, but to be honest with you, it's probably good to have this purely for the fact of the adjustment system, because you've got such low adjustment on there, or such high adjustment, should I say. Having round laces means it's more reactive. So as long as you do a good knot at the top there shouldn't be any issues with that unraveling. But again, because the lace system is round, it's quick to adjust, and you've got a lot more fluidity, should I say, when it comes to adjusting, loosening at the base, tightening at the bottom, or whatever floats your boat, should I say. So you've got a great toe box at the front there. I'm really struggling with my words today, but yeah, you've got a great toe box in there, offering you great protection. You also have great protection around the back there as well, which is really, really cool. And you've got a nice foam section on the base of the sole itself. Basically means you're going to get great cushioning on there. It's going to be nice and comfortable. Sole itself is nice and lightweight. It's pretty solid, and it has good flexibility as well. Now, the sole itself doesn't look like much, but it does exactly what it says on the tin. If you've watched previous videos of mine when I talk about soles, just because it looks basic doesn't mean the actual lace system is itself, which is really, really cool. So all you need to look at really is you've got great variancy on there. So there's great different textures on there. When it comes to the grip itself, there's great space as well. So if you are walking on a slightly muddier terrain, it's just going to push that mud out, so it's not going to stick in there. And also as well, the grip itself, not these bits, but the actual plate, should I say, of the grip has texture to it. So it's going to offer great grip on variancy of terrain, whether that's going to be dry, wet, or even icy. That's just due to the texture of the plate there. But yeah, it's a good all-rounder. I probably wouldn't go scrambling or anything with it, but this is just a general walking shoe. Yeah, but it does exactly what it says on the tin, basically. So who are these trail shoes for? So if you're after a shoe that has amazing adjustments, this is definitely something to consider. If you're going to be walking, doing a bit of low-level walking, maybe some variancy in there, and you want something that's water resistant but also nice and breathable for hotter climates, this is definitely something to consider. If you want something that is super lightweight as well, again, this is something to consider. So yeah, if you're chucking on hot climates, low level to, again, maybe some peaks, again, it's personal preference, but which also offers great breathability and also protection. And even though, like I said, the grip doesn't look like much, but it does exactly what it says on the tin. It will give you grip when you need it. And the fact that it's textured as well is just a big old tick in my boxes. In my opinion, I think that's really, really cool. But what really sells it for me is that low lace system there. It is fantastic. Anyway, I'm going to stop blabbering on. If you want any more information about the Gecko walking shoe, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link that is pinned in the comments below. And whilst you're over there, you'll notice that we're doing an awesome, super cool initiative at the moment, which is place an order, plant a tree. So with every order that is placed on our website, we're going to be planting a tree, which is fantastic because this world needs more trees, to be honest with you. But what a lot of people don't also realize is that our warehouse is one of the most eco-friendly warehouses in the world. I think it's the most eco-friendly warehouse in Europe, definitely in Britain, and when it comes to the world, I bet you we're definitely in the top 3, at least the top 5 when it comes to eco-friendly warehouses. So much so, our carbon emissions are down by 93.5% as of recording, which is amazing. So that in itself is a good reason why you should purchase from us. But when you add that to the place in order to plant a tree initiative that we're doing, it does something rather special. So that one tree that we're going to plant based on you obviously making an order through us actually offsets the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders. How fantastic is that? So not only are we planting a tree because you've purchased through us, we are also eliminating the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders due to the fact that our carbon emissions are so low at our warehouse. That is brilliant. And of course, those 3 other orders are going to be planting trees as well. So it's just a fantastic system, and it's something that we're super proud of here at webtogs.com. Anyway, if you want to find out more information about that, again, the link for that is going to be pinned in the comments below. Anyway, I'm going to stop blabbering on. I'm going to let you guys and girls continue with your day. Thanks for watching and happy trails.